Alright, so I'm about to head up to the fucking track. They got this thing called Midnight Mayhem, O'Reilly Auto Parts. Like, do this shit where you go to the track, pay like $20 to get in. I made a post about this like a while ago, but fucking I never went because they canceled that shit. So I'm about to head there. Hopefully get a couple runs in, get a couple races on camera and whatnot. So I'm about to head there now. Alright, so I just got my car stamped. C136, bam, and on the back, wristband, stamp on my hand. Shit, it's like 93 degrees out here. If you know, I'm running stock tires, no upgrades. So I'm just gonna get a couple runs in and see what kind of times I get. And that's pretty much it. It's hella cars up here, it's hella packed. But I think they got 4 lanes. I don't know if they're using all 4, but we gonna see when we get up there. Go ahead and switch this shit over. Probably going against that Camaro. I don't fucking know. Shit, that took forever to kind of get to the front. So you got BMWs, it's hella Chargers, hella Challengers, hella Camaros, Mustangs. Shit, we gonna see. I don't know if I'm gonna burn out before I run it, or I'm just gonna run this shit. I don't know. Gotta get a W. Right now I'm undefeated. I gotta stay undefeated, dog. Damn, it's a Chevy Cruze up there. I don't know if y'all see that shit. Chevy Cruze up there. Thin ass fucking tires, boy, like a fucking rental car. The one that just burned down, I don't know if you see that shit. Like a stock ass Chevy Cruze. Oh yeah, I'm going against this Camaro for sure. For sure. I don't know, that's a SS. Is it? I think that's a SS. But he must be running under like 14 or some shit, because he got a helmet on. BMW versus Porsche. He took off late. Looking like shit.
Do you have a helmet by chance?
No.
Okay, do you have any friends that are here that have one that you could use?
No.
Okay, because you went quick enough to where you have to have a helmet.
Okay.
Okay, so next time before you run, you need to have a helmet on. There are some guys out there that'll let you borrow theirs if you ask around.
Okay.
If not, you can always lift a little bit. I know it's not as fun, but you have to be under $13.99, so you have to be slower than that to be able to run without a helmet.
So I can't run unless I got a helmet, basically. Yeah,
unless you want to lift a little bit. If you do lift and you slow down to $13.99.
Oh, you talking about like when I race, just don't go as fast?
Yeah, I know it sucks.
Oh,
it's the only way you can run without a helmet if you're under 14 seconds. So
Alright, I'll probably run one more and
okay, run one more and see what happens.
Okay. So yeah, I kind of figured that shit, yo. Niggas, I mean, it's stock, but you know, it's a Scatpack. It's still pretty quick. And this ain't the best times you can get, but you see what I got. I basically need a helmet now, shit. So I'm about to run one more.
I think those would be cool. Because I like the T-top, or not the T-top, but it would take the
CO6 don't have it. The C7's still not this.
On my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I said I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Look, now I'm out here getting rich.